What's the laziest way for beginners to make money online? Cash register chimes. That's one of the most common questions I get asked. And honestly, who doesn't want to make good money with minimal effort, all while having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? So as a millionaire businessman, I'm going to use my knowledge to finally answer this question. As you can see, I've got this grid out in front of me. We're going to use it to figure out which online money-making method is truly the laziest by judging each one in 5 categories. How long it takes before you're earning decent money, how easy it is to deliver what you're selling, whether you can grow your income without extra effort, how much money you need to invest upfront, and the level of risk involved. Higher risks usually mean more stress, which, even if it's easy money, can drain you over time. Today, I'm only going to cover methods that can realistically bring in over $100 a day. Cash register chimes. No online surveys or transcription sites, they pay next to nothing and waste your time. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is all about using your skills to earn money online by working directly with clients. There are tons of skills to choose from, like video editing, social media management, graphic design, copywriting, and website development. On average, it takes about 6 months to start making good money in freelancing. The fulfillment part can be challenging because dealing with clients can be tricky, and scalability is limited since your income is tied to your time. The good news is, startup costs are practically zero if you already have a computer, and the risk is low, but you might face inconsistent income. Freelancing is great if you're willing to invest time in building skills and a client base. Now, let me tell you about something important before moving to the next method. If you're working online, managing multiple accounts can be a hassle. That's where Go Login comes in. Go Login is the best browser for multi-accounting. Whether you're managing multiple freelance projects, running affiliate marketing campaigns, or selling on platforms like eBay, Go Login helps you handle everything from one device without risking bans or account restrictions. You can switch between different profiles effortlessly, each with its unique IP, browser settings, and environment. This means you can scale your online hustle without worrying about platforms flagging your accounts. And here's the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. If you're serious about streamlining your online income streams, I highly recommend giving Go Login a try. Method 2. Airbnb arbitrage. Airbnb arbitrage involves renting a property on a long-term lease and then renting it out short-term on platforms like Airbnb. You act as the middleman, profiting from the difference. It takes about 1 to 3 months to get the hang of it. You'll deal with guest concerns and cleaning logistics, but the scalability is very high since you can add more properties over time. The downside? You need around $5,000 to $15,000 for leases and furnishings, so the startup capital is significant. It's also a high-risk method because of that upfront investment. Airbnb arbitrage can be profitable, but requires a decent amount of capital to start. Method 3. Running an eBay shop. Running an eBay shop is great for selling products like vintage clothing, electronics, or handmade items. You can learn the ropes in about 2 weeks. It's easy to set up and start selling. Fulfillment is medium because shipping and occasional customer issues take time, but scalability is very high since you can keep adding products or even branch out to other platforms. Startup capital is around $500 for initial stock, and the risk is medium. Unsold stock can be an issue, but it's manageable if you stay on top of trends. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It has a super low learning curve. You can get started in just 1 or 2 days. Once you share your links, your work is done, making fulfillment very easy. It's also highly scalable, allowing you to promote as many products as you want. You'll need around $250 to create content or run ads, but there's almost no risk since you don't deal with inventory or customer service. Affiliate marketing is one of the laziest ways to make money online, especially if you focus on organic content to drive traffic to your links. So, There you have it, 4 realistic ways to make over $100 a day online. Each has its pros and cons, but now you know which ones might suit your goals and lifestyle. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try.